Hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Minuet 2 in Suzuki Viola Book 1. Ever since I learned this, it's been my favorite, okay? I started at around 13, relatively late, I know, but it's never too late. Minuet 2. The thing to remember with this piece, string crossings, okay? Walk your fingers across the fingerboard, please. Besides that, with your string changes with your bow, do not flap your arms around too unnecessarily. Just find the minimum angles you need back and forth, okay? Stay calm. It's going to help so much. Besides that, we have triplets. So we have triplet 2, 3, triplet 2, 3. Also, in measures 23 and 24, high 3. And that's going to be just close to your fourth finger. Medium speed. 1, 2, 3. So how'd you do? I love this piece. Play slower, play faster. Not too much faster though. This piece gets exciting as it is. Okay. So if you found value in this, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next piece. Bye.